Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add any song to Spotify. So let's get started. So basically, adding any song to Spotify that is not already available on the platform can be a bit tricky since Spotify primarily relies on its catalog of licensed music. So in order to do that, simply go to your Spotify settings. So I'm using a MacBook at the moment. So I'm just gonna go and tap on the top left corner, and there I'll get to see a Spotify icon available, and tap on it, and there I'll go on Spotify settings. Now in settings, scroll down till you find the local files option available there, and toggle the switch to enable the show local files. And in local files, right below that, you will get to see the download option available and add source option available there. So you can just choose a source and select the folder where your music files are stored on your mobile device or PC and sync with the Spotify. So now basically Spotify will sync the local files from the selected folder to your library and create a new playlist in your local files. So you can go and check on your local files and you can see all the playlists you have just added from your PC's folder. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.